Which of the following is a water tube boiler? Correct. Babcock and Wilcox boiler is the right answer. Cogeneration is the simultaneous generation of. You chose heat and power, and it is correct. Air conditioning is concerned with maintaining. On track. All the three above is the correct answer. Steam turbines may be classified according to. Right choice. All of these is the best answer. The subcooling in a refrigeration cycle dash. Excellent choice. Increases COP is the right answer. The Rato turbine belongs to the category of. You're right. Pressure compounded turbine is the correct answer. The radiation pyrometer works on principle of. Good thinking. Stefan S. Boltzmann law is the right answer. In fire tube boilers, pressure is limited to. Right again. 16 bar is a valid answer. Scavenging system has the highest efficiency. Perfect. Uniform is the correct choice. The fusible plug in small boilers is located. Nice work. You chose over the combustion chamber, and it is correct. The velocity of fluid at stagnation point is. Well reasoned. 0 is the correct choice. Back pressure turbine is placed between dash. Nicely done. Boiler and turbine is a solid answer. The boiler works on a forced circulation is. Nice selection. Lamont is the correct and valid answer. Multi-stage steam turbines are of the dash. Sharp thinking. All of the mentioned is the right choice. Mechanical draft can be classified as dash. Valid point. Forced or induced is true. The value of the reheat factor varies from 142 to 106 is the accurate answer. The discharge is dash at critical pressure. Correct response. Maximum is the most accurate answer. Multi-stage compression with intercooling. Smart pick. All of the above is the correct choice. Rotatory regenerators are dash flow path. Bravo. Counter flow path is the answer. The action of steam in a steam turbine is. Solid response. Dynamic is a valid choice. In a 4-stroke engine, each cylinder has. Well picked. 2 valves is the correct answer. Regenerators used in cryogenics are dash. Great thinking. Large is the right choice. The flow through a nozzle is regarded as. Excellent. Isentropic flow is a brilliant choice. In an isothermal process, internal energy. Good job. Your answer remains constant works well here. In a fixed flow, regenerator flow is dash. Exactly. Parallel makes sense, and it is right choice. The Brayton cycle is a characteristic of. Well done. Gas turbine is the right choice. In regenerator, energy is stored in dash. You got it. Your choice fluid medium is right. 1 ton refrigeration is equivalent to. Clear logic. Your choice 3.5 kW is sound and 100% true. Water boils at dash degrees Fahrenheit. Strong choice. 212 is the right answer. Scavenging is usually done to increase. Smart move. Power output is an accurate answer.
Blading efficiency is also known as.
Strong choice. Diagram efficiency is the right answer. Air refrigeration cycle is used in. Right again, gas liquefaction is a valid answer.
Dry ice refrigeration process uses.
Valid point. Carbon dioxide is true. As isobaric process has constant. Sharp thinking. Pressure is the right choice. A binary vapor plant consists of. Bravo! All of these is the answer.
Effect of superheating on COP is.
Well picked. Decreases is the correct answer. Ton of refrigeration is equal to. Well done. 50 calcmin is the right choice. Freon group of refrigerants are. Smart pick. Non-inflammable and toxic is the correct choice. Morse test can be conducted for. You're right. Multi-cylinder engines is the correct answer. The Rankine cycle is related to. Nicely done. Steam turbine is a solid answer. Chemical formula of Freon 12 is. Smart move ACC12F2 is an accurate answer.
The draught may be produced by.
You chose all of these, and it is correct. Scavenging process consists of. You got it. Your choice, all of these, is right. Regenerator is widely used in. Clear logic. Your choice, glass melting furnaces, is sound and 100% true. The modern steam turbines are. Perfect. Impulse reaction turbines is the correct choice.
Air refrigeration operates on.
Nice work. You chose Brayton cycle, and it is correct. CF-Menaire flow rate is equal to. Correct. 47.95 liters is the right answer.
Determine boiler efficiency.
Good, your answer 68.5% works well here. Parsons turbine is a dash. Great thinking. Simple reaction turbine is the right choice. Heat regenerators are dash. Good thinking. Constant is the right answer. Dash is a measure of heat. Right choice. Temperature is the best answer. Find factor of evaporation. On track. 1.185 is the correct answer.
Determine boiler power.
Correct response. 56.78 is the most accurate answer. What is full form of C? Exactly. Spark ignition makes sense, and it is right choice. The turbine blades are. Solid response. Curved is a valid choice. Steam is classified as. Nice selection. All the above is the correct and valid answer.
D-level turbine is a.
Excellent. Single rotor impulse turbine is a brilliant choice. How does air travel? Great job. Hot to cold is the accurate answer.
What is conduction?
Excellent choice. Direct touch is the right answer.
Cochrane boiler is a.
Well reasoned. Vertical fire tube boiler is the correct choice. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format. You got it? Your choice contact, Narayan Changder, is right?